Number 1.
1974 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000, comes with just 59,000 original miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a tan exterior with a brown interior, the truck has been repainted at some point in its life and still presents well overall. The body remains in good condition with only a few visible rust spots, while the rockers and cab floor are reported to be solid. The tailgate does show some dents, but the exterior overall retains a clean and classic appearance. Inside, the brown interior is in good shape for its age. The seat remains in great condition, although the dashboard has some cracks and the carpet would benefit from replacement. The tires are still usable and show no signs of weather cracking. Under the hood, the truck features a 5.3 LS swap paired with a turbo 400 transmission, along with a new 650 carburetor, new exhaust system, and dual fuel tanks.
It currently needs a new MSD ignition controller, as the truck experiences backfiring under full throttle. Number 2.
2000 Ford F250, price $8,900, well-preserved one-owner truck with only 66,000 original miles. Powered by an automatic transmission, this 2WD pickup features a sharp tan exterior paired with a clean black interior that has been kept in remarkable condition over the years. The vehicle remains completely original and comes with a clean title, making it a great example of a well-maintained older truck. The truck runs and drives excellent with no mechanical issues at all. It has clearly been cared for properly since new, with regular servicing and careful maintenance throughout its life. Because it was hardly ever driven, both the interior and exterior still show extremely well, with a clean appearance that is difficult to find on trucks of this age. Everything from the body to the cabin reflects responsible ownership and long-term care.
Number 3.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $6,999. The truck is a clean and dependable classic compact pickup powered by a proven 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 120,000 miles, this Ranger features a black exterior with a gray interior and offers the kind of simplicity and reliability that has made these older Ford trucks increasingly desirable among enthusiasts and daily drivers alike. Its compact size makes it easy to park and maneuver, while still being practical enough for light work duties, hauling tools, weekend projects, or everyday driving. The lightweight and straightforward design keeps maintenance affordable and uncomplicated compared to many newer trucks, and the strong aftermarket support makes finding parts and upgrades simple.
Number 4.
1999 Dodge Ram 2500, price $10,000, well-kept 4x4 pickup that runs and drives excellently. Powered by a strong 8.0 LV10 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, this truck has only 90,000 original miles. It features a burgundy exterior with a tan leather interior, both of which remain in excellent condition. The body and paint are exceptionally clean and rust-free, showing that the truck has always been very well cared for. Inside, the cabin is equally impressive, offering a comfortable and fully loaded setup for its time. Features include power windows, power door locks, a power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, and cold air conditioning. The truck also comes equipped with color-matched running boards and a color key canopy, adding to its clean and classic appearance. Overall, this Ram 2500 stands out as a solid, well-preserved example with low original mileage and excellent overall condition.
Number 5.
1988 Ford F350, price $8,500, powered by a gasoline engine and showing only 140,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, including a freshly rebuilt transmission paired with a gear vendor's overdrive system, helping improve both highway cruising and towing capability. Finished in white with a tan interior, the truck has a clean and classic heavy-duty appearance that fits the era perfectly. The seller states that this F350 is set up and ready for serious work, featuring a snug-top canopy, near-new tires, and desirable Alcoa alloy wheels. With its strong 460 engine, dually set up, and upgraded drivetrain components, this truck is built to confidently handle trailers, equipment, or other heavy loads while still remaining comfortable enough for regular driving.
Number 6.
1968 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500, features a strong-running 5.3 LLS swap paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, showing 100,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this gasoline-powered classic truck has a clean title and delivers the perfect mix of vintage style and hot rod attitude. The build includes upgraded intake, headers, exhaust, a large aluminum radiator, and an electric fan for dependable cooling performance. It has also been converted to front disc brakes and fitted with lowering springs, blocks, and new shocks, giving the truck a clean lowered stance and solid road manners. All lights are fully functional, and the truck recently received a new fuel tank along with working fuel, hand, and volt gauges. The glass is in decent condition throughout, while staggered moto metal wheels wrapped in great tires complete the aggressive look.
Number 7.
2001 Ford F150, price $7,000, comes equipped with a 5.4-liter engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and 4WD. It has 176,000 miles and remains a one-owner truck with a clean title. Finished in red with a gray leather interior, this gasoline-powered pickup is fully loaded with features including cold AC, cruise control, power windows and door locks, leather bucket seats, a tow package, and a bed liner. Everything is reported to be in proper working condition, with no mechanical issues or check engine lights.
The engine idles smoothly and delivers strong acceleration, while the automatic transmission shifts cleanly with no leaks or drivability concerns. The paint still presents very well overall, although there are some dents and scrapes consistent with normal use and age. Number 8.
1990 Dodge Ram 350, price $9,900. The truck is powered by the legendary 5.9L Cummins turbo diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and has only 111,000 original miles. Finished in silver with a gray interior, this regular cab long bed 2WD truck is becoming increasingly hard to find in such clean and original condition. It comes with a clean title, no accident history, and remains an all-original style first-generation Cummins truck. The truck runs and drives great, starts right up, shifts smoothly, and cruises comfortably on the road. The interior and exterior have been very well kept, showing only minor paint fading consistent with its age. Overall, this is a very clean and solid example of a first-gen Cummins diesel pickup with low mileage and strong performance.
Number 9.
1992 Dodge Dakota, price $4,000. This truck has 151,000 miles, a manual transmission, and is finished in white with a gray interior. Powered by a rebuilt Ford 302/5.0 engine with GT40P heads and a Ford Racing E303 cam, this gasoline-powered truck has been a reliable daily driver for the past 3 years and runs and drives great. The engine starts easily year-round and features a Holly Street Avenger 570 carburetor, aluminum air gap intake, Proform HEI distributor, and dual exhaust with thrush mufflers. Recent upgrades include a new water pump, electric fan, starter, serpentine belt, and LED lighting conversion. The interior is in great shape overall, with only the A-pillar trim missing.
Number 10.
1998 Chevrolet Silverado, price $5,350, showing 142,000 miles. It is equipped with a strong-running 454 big block engine and a two-wheel drive setup, offering plenty of power and a smooth driving experience. The truck runs and drives well, making it a great option for someone looking for a dependable classic Silverado with factory-style appeal and big block performance. This Silverado has always remained in California, although it was previously registered in South Dakota.
The California registration process is currently being completed, with all fees already paid and the weight certificate already done. A smog certificate will also be included, helping make the registration process easier for the next owner. Overall, this is a clean and honest classic Chevy truck with strong mechanicals and desirable California history.